you now, Granny. You can't escape from me.
Oh no, what do you want from me? Please let me go.
I will in your shoes. They'll have the power to make me run faster, stomp higher, and stomp over and be stronger. And I want that power so that I can rule the world. Yes, no one can stop me now.
Don't mess with me, you dumb bum fat ass, or else I'm gonna fuck the shit out of you.
Stay away from grandma, you boo girl.
You the fuck are you?
I'm Timmy the Rappertron, and I'm gonna slay you with my ultimate super ultra mega rap moves. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks.
Baba boy.
Yo, I'm a B-boy with my shoe. What you gonna do? Can you keep up with my crew? Yo, my laces tight, I'm feeling alright. Yo, got my kicks on my feet, they shine bright like a light. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, for less at the dance floor. 5, 6, I'm feeling the beat. 7, 8, can you feel the heat? Buckle my shoe. Yo, I got a first for the kicks and get the shoe. Nike kicks for real brand new. Yo, I lace him up tight, step out on the street. Team lies, hell, can't nobody compete. 1, 2, I hit the club and I'm looking so clean. Got all eyes on me and they know what I mean. I'm the king of the scene and they know my name. 1 to buckle my shoe and I'm ready to play my fate. 5, 6, Nike kicks. My rhymes are like laces, tight with the knot. Spit fire like the mouth of a hot dragon ball. 1 to buckle my shoe, 3 for buckle some more. My rap game's employed like 23 on the floor. Get ready to be just stroll shoe monster. This game over for you now. Super mega rap, God blast, final strike. I'm a Superman, and I'm better than I made it rough, so everything you say is pretend off me, never you have a mistake. More than the I give my abilities, I can't get it,
Thanks a lot, dear Timmy, for saving me. You truly are an awesome superhero.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.